What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am happy to have you here. I am back again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your eyebrows. So it's basically a brow tutorial, and I'll show you guys how I got these nice eyebrows in literally 5 minutes. So it's super beginner friendly, super easy. It's just a 3-step process. If you've never done your eyebrows, this is definitely the video for you. If you haven't done this yet, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I post. But without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First, I'm gonna get a mascara wand type looking brush, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows upwards, and then I'm gonna brush them over on the top just to kind of give it the shape that I'm looking for. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it over on the other side. And then I'm gonna get a side angled brush for my brow pomade. If you're using brow pencil, please skip this part. I'm using my Maybelline Eye Studio brow pomade. I'm just gonna dip my brush in my brow pomade. I'm just gonna take a little bit of product. Keep in mind, you can always add, but it's kind of hard to subtract. I'm just gonna start filling down whatever gaps and spaces that need to be filled. As you can see, I'm gonna kind of draw an underline, and then I'm gonna do the same at the top and just fill in whatever I feel needs to be filled, make a shape that I want. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the middle part all the way to the front, and then eventually fill the front part out. I'm now gonna take the brush that I'm gonna use for my concealer so I can shape the look and, give it that crisp, nice, clean look. For today, I'm gonna be using my Morphe concealer. It's really nice. I really like it, super pigmented. And then I'm just gonna get a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it at the back of my hand. I just do this to warm the product. It's my personal preference. You don't have to do this. I'm gonna grab a little bit of concealer, a little bit of product. I'm gonna place carefully the concealer under my eyebrow to create the shape that I like. You can do this to create whatever shape you like. It's totally up to you. Once I'm done, I'm gonna get another brush and I'm gonna just clean out the rest of the concealer so it blends right in. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the exact same process with my other eyebrow. And that is the final product, you guys. If you haven't done this yet, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching.